Welcome to Education in Ireland Live. In this video, I'll show you how to search for your chosen program, how to use the one-to-one chat functions to talk directly with institutions, and how to take part in our informative seminars. Once in the login screen, simply enter the username and password you selected and click Login. You will then enter the event lobby, where you can view the various booths available, and hovering over any booth will show you a mini profile. On the left side of your screen, you will notice the navigation panel, giving you quick access to various features throughout the event. From here, you can also click on Search Booths to search institutions by name, and if you are interested in any of them, just click the slider to get in line to chat with them. After entering a booth, click the green chat button to speak to a representative. You may have to wait a short time if they are busy speaking with other students, and you will receive a bell to notify you that the representative is ready to speak to you. Once connected in the chat, you will notice the time at the top of the screen. This signifies the time remaining until your chat automatically ends. Be sure to send quick, short text sentences for the best chat experience. During your text chat, you may also be invited to video or audio chat. You'll see a notification pop up on your screen asking if you'd like to accept or decline the invitation or continue with the text chat. After accepting the invitation, you'll receive one more notification prompting you to allow access to your microphone and camera. Click Allow and you can begin your video chat with the representative. Just like standard text chat, video and audio chats are timed. When the chat timer runs out, the chat will automatically end and you'll be brought to the rating screen. Once your chat has ended, you will have the option to send the representative a personal note and rate the institution. Once you are done and ready to move on to the next chat, simply click Finished and you will be welcomed back to the event lobby, where you will be able to choose another booth to chat in. An important part of Talk Global Study is the extensive seminar program. Choose which seminar interests you and enter the booth. From here, you'll be able to hear the live speakers and take part by asking questions through the discussion tab in the seminar booth. Once you have visited all the booths, participated in your chosen seminars, simply click the logout icon on the lower left hand of your navigation panel to exit the event. Have fun and happy chatting!